everybody. Oh, wait, let them go for a minute because I think they're going to do something cool. Look what they're going to do.
We don't blow them?
I think there's something special about these candles. Watch out, step back, Sonia.
So good.
I think there's something a little strange about these candles. What are they doing, these candles?
You have to wait.
Yeah. I think. Come get it, Nicholas. Come on. Nicholas, don't whine like a baby. What are they doing, Carlin?
The spark.
They're sparking.
I think I have a blower.
No, let it sparkle.
This one's the only one that's working. All of them are mine, or they just some of them?
I don't think they even blow out. You can try.
Wait,
But try.
Okay, wait, so move, please. I'm going to do. Wait.
I think you have to dip them. Oh, you did it. We can light them again later.
All right.
I
good
want
job.
an Oreo cookie.
Okay.